Car overheated, now it won't restart? It's not your battery, it's something way more expensive, and almost nobody sees it coming. Save this video for later. I'll share 4 tips on how to spot hidden head gasket damage. Here's what we know. According to AAA, engine overheating is the #1 hidden cause of head gasket failure, which leads to compression loss and no start conditions. Here's 4 pro tips to spot hidden head gasket damage. Look for milky oil or white smoke from the exhaust. Check your coolant. Bubbles equal bad sign. Check your oil cap. White goo equal blown gasket. And if your engine turns but doesn't start, you may have compression loss. Know these signs before it's too late. Follow for more car care tips. Check the profile for recommended resources and share this with someone who needs to know.